Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible with a big block 454, 4-speed manual transmission, side pipes, BFG radial TAs, along with the famous Cragar chrome wheels. Beautiful paint. Let's just walk around the car to show you guys. Nice reflection throughout and all around this little Corvette. As you can see there. Very nice interior, black interior, super clean engine compartment. The 427 sticker represents obviously what the Corvettes had an option of 427s in 1969, but this is a 454. Headlights do function. Okay, it's a black cherry paint job. So, and it shows very, very well. Underneath is super clean on the Vets. And you got buckets. You got your center console with the 4-speed manual transmission. Old school radial, which is inoperable. I don't know why, but $100 you can have that changed. And let's see, showing 73,000 miles on the odometer. Beautiful interior, nice door panels. She is ready to rock. Let's fire this thing up really quick. That's why we love side pipes on Vets. Price to sell, guys. She is stunning. Black cherry is the name of the color. There you have it. All right, well, there you have it, guys. The convertible top is black in very good condition. And yes, they all came with the plastic window. This thing is, you can stare at it all day long. It's just magnificent. Love the car. We don't get too many of these big block Vets in, especially a 69 model, but it does look pretty. When the sun goes down, the car looks completely black. Beautiful, right? Well, okay. Go get a pen. I'm going to give you my phone number at the end of the video. Listen, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the bottom right of your screen. It's the red button right down there. Click it. You'll see what I got coming tomorrow. Something really cool. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to your friends. So for those of you who are serious about the car and need financing, you can actually finance this car for up to 180 months to keep that payment super, super low if wanted. So your credit score, you know, all approvals are based off your credit profile. So if your credit score is between 600 and 739, 740, right around there, you will need about 10% down. For the financing application for that, go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit application under the finance tab. For those of the borrowers that are looking to have a 750 or higher credit score, probably a better interest rate as well. Unsecured loans are available with no money down to you folks over 750. Again, approvals are based off your credit profile. So again, if you are a 750 and higher credit score, go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. But listen, before you do that, let's make sure the car is still available. So you can call me or text me. I prefer text message. Again, my phone number is 847-848-1850. If you need delivery, right right to your driveway. We're licensed, insured, and bonded for the purchase price of this vehicle right to your driveway. Text me your zip code, okay? Again, my number's 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois, where we have over 100 beautiful hand-picked muscle classic cars available that our mechanics do go through, okay? So let's just make sure that you're buying from a reputable dealer and you know what you're getting before you actually get it or come and waste your time coming here. So we just want to make sure that you know what you're getting. Your time is valuable to us, and so is ours. Headlights do function, turn signals function, brake lights do work, wipers do work. We're going to have to fix something about the wipers, but we're going to get that going. Radio is inoperable, like I mentioned. We're going to leave that alone. Let's see here. Fuel gauge, we're going to fix that. It's bouncing around a little bit, so we'll get that fixed. Horn does work. Heater does work. We checked the oil, the coolant, the brake fluid. We checked the power steering fluid. Speedometer works. RPM tach works. Temperature gauge works. Oil pressure gauge works. No spare tire with the Corvettes. Odometer reads 73,184 miles. The BFG Goodrich tires in the front are 215 70-15s, and rears are 225 60-15s. Just so you guys have that information. Underneath the car, it's beautiful. Check out more photos at MGMClassicCars.com. Thanks for watching.